Scattered prints are in, patterned prints are out.
In this video, I'm going to show you some examples of what I mean by scattered print, just like this, that are selling really well. And I'm going to show you how you can make these so easily within Printify and the mistake that you do not want to make. All right, here is an example and another one. This is using, a bunch of different graphics, but it's giving that scattered look. And here is another one. I want to take you into Printify. This is who I use for my print-on-demand mugs. Personally, for these trending scattered print designs, I like to use the accent coffee mug, and I like to match the inside of the mugs to whatever colors are within the design. So let's click in here, and I'm going to go to Start Designing. I'm going to come up here to Edit Tools, and this is where you can select variants, and you can choose the color of the inside of your mug here. So for this one, I went with the light blue. You can also choose 11 ounce or 15 ounce. I like to offer both on my listings. Now, it doesn't make sense for me to offer the other colors because it just won't look right with the design that I'm using. So don't just list anything to list it. It's going to create buyer's fatigue. You need to be really strategic with your designs and how you're matching them to your products. So let's go back over here. All right, so now I'm going to come over to Upload and My Device. And I have pulled in my design. Notice that it's just one graphic. I did this on purpose here. Now I'm gonna make it small to the size that I would like it. Now before, when I used to sell patterned mugs, I would come over here and simply just do create pattern. This is still really great if you wanna sell patterned products, but right now, like I said, scattered is in, patterned is out. So this you don't wanna do, right? But I just wanted to show you just so you know it's there. And the cool thing too is you can make it bigger or smaller, but we want that scattered look, right? So let's go back over to Edit Tools, and I'm gonna turn that off. So now it's just back to the one graphic again. So to get that scattered look, I'm gonna come up here. This is the duplicate button. I'm gonna click it a bunch of times. If I have too many, I'll just delete some later, okay? So I'm gonna bring this over here. Typically, to get the scattered look, you're not just gonna go boom, boom. You're not just gonna like scatter them wherever you want because it will look weird. There is kind of like a pattern to the scattered look, and I'll show you what I do. Not perfect, but typically I do about 2 here and then 1 here. And then another 2, and it doesn't have to be lined up because you do want it to be like a little bit scattered. Just a little bit off. Bring that 1 here. I might put that up a little bit more. So as you can see, I'm making kind of like my own pattern. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And then look, I need 1 more, so I'm gonna come up here. If I had too many, like this, then I would just click on it and come up here to delete, delete, delete. All right, so now the next important thing is you want to preview it. So come up here to preview, and boom, that fast. We have a really nice, trendy looking pattern printed mug. As you can see, I chose blue for the inside to match my design. Red or orange would look strange with this, right? Like I said, we're not just putting up any product just because. It creates buyer's fatigue. Keep it simple. And here is a Printify mock-up photo of how it will look. Here's the revenue some sellers are bringing in. I typed in summer mugs into the Etsy search. Some people are bringing in 4, even 5 figures just for one Etsy listing. And the thing I love about selling mugs is take a look at this price right here, $4.74. You can get a really great profit margin selling mugs. Comment mug in the comment section below, and if I get enough comments, I will do a full step-by-step mug tutorial. So there you have it. It really is that simple to make this new trendy look. Mugs are huge print-on-demand sellers on Etsy, especially when you're finding new ways to stand out in the market. For example, scattered prints. I hope that this video helped you. If you found it helpful, please give me a like, subscribe for more print-on-demand content, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you want to take things a step further, maybe you're struggling to make sales on Etsy, it might just be a few tweaks that you need to make to your shop, which is why I offer Etsy shop reviews. I do a video recording of the things that I see that you are doing right, the things that I see that are hurting your sales, and how you can improve those things, along with a bunch of hidden gems. You can learn more about my Etsy shop reviews with the link in my description below.